Struggling with the complexities of data analytics? Hi, I'm Akriti Lal, having more than 14 years of experience in different industry verticals as a data analyst. And here I am to talk about in and out of data analytics. Are you a student wanting to land in a job as a data analyst? Or somebody wanting to have a job change? Or a lady looking for a restart in a career as a data analyst? Well, listen up. Here I am offering a 90 minutes webinar to give you a walkthrough of what data analysis is. Now, if I talk about just individual tools, that could be easy. We have flooded videos on YouTubes and Udemy's. But in this 90 minutes, I'll give you a walkthrough of the entire data analysis environment. Like, we will be dealing with the data that is in Excel, then working with SQL, and finally using Power BI to do the reporting. So, in this 90 minutes webinar, you will get a complete idea about what data analysis is rather than just focusing on one or two specific tools. If you want to join in, please click on the link below for the registrations. Thank you.